how to add Turbo-based Turbo token to bitget wallet. Now, be able to do that, make sure to open the token on CoinMarketCap. So after you find your token, go here and copy this token address and make sure this token is under the base network. Now go and open your bitget wallet extension. Now from here, just click on this little plus icon. Now from here, make sure to select the network as based, as you can see like that. Now here, paste the token address as you can see, and you will be able to add it. I added before for you. So for that, if you click on this plus icon, as you can see, the token is added to your wallet. Now to be able to make sure that your token is added successfully to your wallet, make sure to select the base network from here to be able to find it in your home or in your wallet. Now after scroll down, as you can see, this is our token. We can now receive and send. So this is how to add the Turbo-based Turbo token to bitget wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.